All right, so I just posted a video on how I made my roof, and I realized at the end of the video I never put it on, so y'all didn't get to see what it looks like. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're just gonna lift it up and put it on the car. You can do it with one person, but it's definitely easier with two. And that's it. Now we have a very dirty roof on a very dirty car. I can roll my windows up and kind of keep my interior a little bit cleaner. But you can see, like right here, this is where it gets a little funky. It's kind of hard to make it line up perfectly. But see, it fits real good right here. It's tight up against the weather stripping all the way around. And then right here, which you can actually set this inside the so get it right. Lift it up a little bit. Ow. F.
There you go.
Yeah. And it fits around there pretty good. There's a little bit of a gap. Then again, no back glass yet. Gap's a little bit different on this side. Again, the old weather stripping, but. So I just grab my ratchet straps.
Bang.
Bang. And that does it right there. I mean, that's not going anywhere, so. Thing's been to multiple drift events, multiple highway hits, and just normal daily drive, and it doesn't move an inch. If you go over a wonky bump or something like that, you can see it flex, but other than that, I mean, I trust it. Yeah, and this side looks pretty good. I mean, again, it's still a little wonky, but when you step back all the way out here, that thing looks like a coupe. There's no weather stripping in here, which I need to get. I feel like I need to get this bracket, that's what the weather stripping attaches to. I need to get it for in here. And then get a back glass made.